This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Diablo 4 Collector's Edition press kit. So without any delay, let's unbox this press kit and enter the world of Diablo. First thing we have, this cool looking badge. A portrait of so many demons. But this one looks kind of cool. Next thing we have, a mouse pad with the demon summoning circle. And a physical game map. Now, we have something special in this box. Let's see what's inside of it. It's a candle, powered by double A batteries. Looks good. Let's insert the batteries. Looks way better in the dark. And the last thing we have, art book of Diablo 4. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.